liquidity grab and break of structure. So LG and BOS. So if we follow the market round here to the left, you can see the market is rallying, making new lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and eventually it breaks structure, right? So it breaks structure to the downside, clear momentum. So once that happens, what you need to do is identify where the low is. Where is the most relevant low? It's when there's a rejection, right? So this becomes the new relevant high. This becomes the new relevant low. Then you've just got a range, right? It's stuck within this low range. And what you're going to get, the market's never going to move like this, for example, and there's a break of structure and eventually, yes, break and retest. It's never that perfect when it comes to the market, right? So what happens now is there's a bunch of liquidity grabs. So you can clearly see here on the left, this spike was a liquidity grab. These bunch of candlesticks was a liquidity grab. This long spike was a liquidity grab. This body close was a liquidity grab. And eventually you can see there was a clear confirmation of a really strong, convincing candlestick closing below structure. What you can do is always, once you get that confirmation, you can simply just put your order at the imbalance, stop loss above the imbalance high, and just have a pretty decent TP on just this example here. Obviously, you need to be waiting for the boomerang, compression, etc. So that's all it is with structure, identifying the clear break of structure once you get that clear candlestick confirmation. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys later on the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.